Assault suspect arrested again for the same crime and others while out on bond. Police say his victims were random. They say he targeted one person at Barton Creek Mall as well as several other women at Pease Park. Now, when repeat arrests happen, people often ask why. KXAN's Brianna Hollis answers that by walking us through the criminal justice process for Douglas Vasquez.
I was terrified.
This young woman is one of 3 people who recently reached out to us with concerns about Douglas Vasquez. She fears for her safety and asked to remain anonymous.
It was scary that I had personally interacted with him.
We first covered Vasquez in 2022 when police arrested him for an alleged June sex assault near 6th Street. We learned in court this week that shortly after, police said they had several encounters with Vasquez. Those encounters included pulling him over near UT after a woman said he was following her, and a woman reporting he got into her car at Barton Creek Mall and demanded sex. That woman testified Tuesday and spoke with us after about her experience.
I feel like it's going to become a pattern, or it has become a pattern already.
Police explained why it took months to arrest Vasquez in both the 6th Street and Barton Creek Mall cases. In the 6th Street case, police say it was difficult to gather evidence because Vasquez and the alleged victim didn't know each other. In the Barton Creek Mall case, police say the victim couldn't originally pick Vasquez out in a lineup. Vasquez eventually landed in jail on charges related to the 6th Street case in November of 2022. He bonded out a month later with an ankle monitor when a judge lowered his bond. While he was out on bond, police say Vasquez sexually assaulted a woman at his home in March of 2023 and threatened an officer who responded to reports of him chasing women at Pease Park earlier this month. The March 2023 sex assault case leading to Vasquez landing back in jail this week when police arrested him on charges relating to that. The officer who testified in that case saying it took 6 months to arrest Vasquez again, in part because of staffing shortages. Brianna Hollis, KXAN News.
And a judge placed Vasquez's total bond at $320,000. The suspect's attorney repeatedly questioned the credibility of the sex assault investigations. He also said the state did not have the grounds to call Vasquez a danger to the community because of how long it took to arrest him.